Unlike new technologies that are all about what machines can do, generative AI enhances human capabilities. It allows repetitive tasks to be automated, from market research to content creation to data analysis and code development. To truly grasp the essence of generative AI and how it distinguishes itself from other forms of AI, we recommend watching this video. This short presentation breaks down the fundamental concepts of generative AI in simple terms, while exploring its revolutionary impact on major industries. Additionally, the video delves into the critical ethical considerations surrounding this transformative technology. Now, let's embark on this journey of understanding the core concept of generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence system that can generate text, images, audio, and other media in response to prompts. These systems learn the patterns and structure of their input training data and then generate new data that has similar characteristics. Generative AI models use neural networks to identify the patterns and structures within existing data to generate new and original content. Generative AI starts with a prompt that could be in the form of text, an image, a video, a design, musical notes, or any input that the AI system can process. Various AI algorithms then return new content in response to the prompt. Recent breakthroughs in the field, such as GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and Mid-Journey, have significantly advanced the capabilities of generative AI. Understanding the differences: generative AI versus other types of AI. Traditional AI, often called narrow or weak AI, focuses on performing a specific task intelligently. It refers to systems designed to respond to a particular set of inputs. These systems have the capability to learn from data and make decisions or predictions based on that data. Imagine you're playing computer chess. The computer knows all the rules. It can predict your moves and make its own based on a predefined strategy. It's not inventing new ways to play chess, but selecting from strategies it was programmed with. That's traditional AI. It's like a master strategist who can make smart decisions within a specific set of rules. Other examples of traditional AIs are voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation engines on Netflix or Amazon, or Google's search algorithm. These AIs have been trained to follow specific rules, do a particular job, and do it well, but they don't create anything new. Generative AI, on the other hand, can be thought of as the next generation of artificial intelligence. It's a form of AI that can create something new. Suppose you have a friend who loves telling stories, but instead of a human friend, you have an AI. You give this AI a starting line, say, "Once upon a time in a galaxy far away." The AI takes that line and generates a whole space adventure story, complete with characters, plot twists, and a thrilling conclusion. The AI creates something new from the piece of information you gave it. This is a basic example of generative AI. It's like an imaginative friend who can come up with original creative content. What's more, today's generative AI can not only create text outputs, but also images, music, and even computer code. Generative AI models are trained on a set of data and learn the underlying patterns to generate new data that mirrors the training set. The implications of generative AI are wide-ranging, providing new avenues for creativity and innovation. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize any field where creation and innovation are key. Let's discuss the major industries where generative AI will revolutionize first. 1. Empowering the creators. If everyone used generative AI without human interference or edits, our world would become increasingly homogenized. But as a creator, you also have a vision. And so every time you go back into the program to edit your prompt, making it more and more specific, redirecting the AI in the direction you imagined, the final result is entirely manipulated and molded by the person sitting at the keyboard. No matter how you look at it, as the creator, you are in control, and these programs are mere tools. Additionally, these tools can help embolden aspiring creators to enter into an artistic field that might otherwise have been outside of their capabilities. Someone without any graphic design experience can use DALL-E or similar programs to generate a beautiful image, without having any understanding of color, shape, or form. In today's creator economy, many creators may be called upon to produce everything in a piece of content: the music, visuals, copywriting, editing, and more all by themselves. Generative AI can be instrumental to broadening a creator's offering. Every new tool that can empower people to create is an exciting development. 2. Revolutionizing software engineering. Treating computer languages as just another language opens new possibilities for software engineering. Software engineers can use generative AI in pair programming and to do augmented coding and train LLMs to develop applications that generate code when given a natural language prompt describing what that code should do. Software engineering is a significant function in most companies, and it continues to grow as all large companies, not just tech titans, embed software in a wide array of products and services. According to McKinsey report, the direct impact of AI on the productivity of software engineering could range from 20 to 45% of current annual spending on the function. This value would arise primarily from reducing time spent on certain activities, such as generating initial code drafts, code correction and refactoring, root cause analysis, and generating new system designs. By accelerating the coding process, generative AI could push the skill sets and capabilities needed in software engineering toward code and architecture design. One study found that software developers using Microsoft's GitHub Copilot completed tasks 56% faster than those not using the tool. An empirical study of software engineering teams found those who were trained to use generative AI tools rapidly reduced the time needed to generate and refactor code. And engineers also reported a better work experience, citing improvements in happiness, flow, and fulfillment. 3. Impacts on art and graphic designing. Generative AI is having a significant impact on the art and graphic design professions. 1. Automation of repetitive tasks. Generative AI can automate repetitive design tasks, such as generating variations of a design, creating templates, or producing mock-ups. This allows designers to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of their work. 2. Enhanced creativity. Generative AI tools can prompt designers with initial ideas and inspire new creative directions. By leveraging the capabilities of generative AI, designers can explore new possibilities and push the boundaries of their creativity. 3. Efficiency and productivity. Generative AI can speed up the design process by generating multiple design options quickly. This can improve efficiency and productivity, allowing designers to work on more projects in less time. 4. Access to new tools and techniques. Generative AI provides designers with new tools and techniques to experiment with. For example, AI-generated art and machine-generated graphics are emerging as new forms of artistic expression. Designers can leverage these tools to create unique and innovative designs. 4. Impact on healthcare and medicine. Generative AI is transforming the healthcare and medicine industry in many ways. 1. Improved patient outcomes. Generative AI can analyze massive research data sets to forecast potential health outcomes and suggest care strategies that can help prevent or improve chronic conditions. Medical providers can utilize the technology to deliver customized treatments at a fraction of the cost, ensuring better outcomes and higher patient satisfaction rates. 2. Enhanced clinical decision-making. Generative AI in healthcare can assist in screening patients for various chronic diseases and help medical providers make more accurate and data-driven diagnoses. This can lead to more effective treatments and better patient outcomes. 3. Accelerated drug discovery. Generative AI is accelerating drug discovery by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying potential drug candidates. This can significantly reduce the time and cost required for drug development. 4. Improved patient engagement. Generative AI can be used to tap into patients' medical and family history and lifestyle, among other factors, to summarize key data points and provide personalized recommendations. 5. Transformation of marketing and sales. Generative AI has taken hold rapidly in marketing and sales functions, in which text-based communications and personalization at scale are driving forces. The technology can create personalized messages tailored to individual customer interests, preferences, and behaviors, as well as do tasks such as producing first drafts of brand advertising, headlines, slogans, social media posts, and product descriptions. However, Introducing generative AI to marketing functions requires careful consideration. For one thing, mathematical models trained on publicly available data without sufficient safeguards against plagiarism, copyright violations, and branding recognition risks infringing on intellectual property rights. A virtual try-on application may produce biased representations of certain demographics because of limited or biased training data. Thus, significant human oversight is required for conceptual and strategic thinking specific to each company's needs. 6. Customer operations. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the entire customer operations function, improving the customer experience and agent productivity through digital self-service and enhancing and augmenting agent skills. For example, customer interacts with a human-like chatbot that delivers immediate, personalized responses to complex inquiries, ensuring a consistent brand voice regardless of customer language or location. Moreover, human agent can use generative AI-developed call scripts and receives real-time assistance and suggestions for responses during phone conversations, instantly accessing relevant customer data for tailored and real-time information delivery. Lastly, generative AI enables human agent receives a summarization of the conversation in a few succinct points to create a record of customer complaints and actions taken. The human agent uses automated, personalized insights generated by AI, including tailored follow-up messages or personalized coaching suggestions. Generative AI has the potential to raise several ethical concerns. Let us discuss them briefly. 1. Bias. According to the Markkula Center for Applied Ethics, generative AI can replicate the biases present in the data used to train it, leading to discriminatory outcomes. The beliefs, values, and assumptions of the human who wrote the code can also be inscribed in the AI, further perpetuating biases. 2. Misinformation and harmful content. According to Harvard Business Review, generative AI can produce fake news, deepfakes, and other forms of harmful content. That in turn can lead to the spread of misinformation and the potential for harm to individuals or society as a whole. Ownership of AI-generated content. There is ambiguity over the authorship and copyright of AI-generated content, leading to questions about who owns the rights to creative works and how they can be used. When AI generates content, such as articles, artwork, or music, it raises questions about who owns the copyright to that content. Is it the person who programmed the AI itself, or the person who uses the AI to generate the content? In summarizing, our opinion is that generative AI opens us up to an even greater world of creative possibilities. And once the hype and fear die down, the imagined cinematic worlds it can help build, the stories it can help tell, and the music it can help compose will be incredibly exciting. But it will never replace the basic human need to create for creativity's sake. We are creative by nature. We always have been, and we always will be. Every now and then, we simply update our tools. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below with the word yes to confirm to us that the video was meaningful. We request you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please watch the recommended videos to further explore the fascinating field of artificial intelligence. Thank you so much.